Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly extraordinary in store for you. We are diving deep into the realm of graphic design and exploring how artificial intelligence is reshaping the creative landscape. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates. Now, let's get started on our journey to discover the future of design. In the ever-evolving world of graphic design, staying ahead of the curve is key. And what better way to do that than by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence? Today, we'll uncover the secrets of using AI to not just enhance but revolutionize your design process. From intelligent tools to creative assistants, AI is set to become every designer's best friend. How to use AI as a graphic designer. Section 1. The rise of AI in graphic design. To understand the present and future of AI in graphic design, let's first take a quick journey through its rise. Artificial intelligence has come a long way, and its impact on the design industry is nothing short of revolutionary. With machine learning and neural networks, AI can analyze trends, predict user preferences, and generate design elements faster than ever before. Section 2. Creative AI tools in action. Now, let's explore some creative AI tools that are changing the game for graphic designers. From intelligent image recognition to automated design suggestions, these tools are designed to enhance your creativity and streamline your workflow. Let's dive into the world of AI-powered design magic. Section 3. Designing with intelligence. Imagine having a virtual design assistant that understands your style, anticipates your needs, and suggests brilliant ideas. That's the power of designing with intelligence. We'll showcase real-world examples of how AI can assist you in creating visually stunning and impactful designs effortlessly. Section 4. The future of graphic design. As we look ahead, the possibilities are truly exciting. AI is not just a tool, it's a design partner that evolves with you. We'll discuss the emerging trends, futuristic concepts, and the potential impact of AI on the future of graphic design. Stay tuned for a glimpse into the design landscape of tomorrow. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the incredible world of AI-driven graphic design. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow designers. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more insights into the intersection of creativity and technology. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call or website. Thanks for joining us on this design revolution. Until next time, keep creating.